Hello everyone. Welcome to the another technology discussion from Burma Software Infotech. So today we are excited to showcase a healthcare website that our team built using the Sitecore Headless CMS, Next.js, GraphQL, and Sitecore AI MCP integration. So this is not just about creating another website. It's about how enterprise organization can build scalable AI-ready digital experience platform that empower both marketing and developers. So joining me today is our senior Sitecore and XM Cloud developer Saurabh and other participant. So Saurabh, who designed and developed this solution. So welcome, Saurabh.
Yeah, thank you, Prem. I am excited to share how we built this healthcare platforms and explain the architecture behind it.
Yeah, thank you. So before we deep dive into the demo, let's briefly discuss about why organizations are moving towards the Sitecore Headless, Sitecore XM Cloud, which is named like Sitecore AI. So traditional CMS platform are tightly coupled the front end with the back end and making customization, performance improvement, and omni-channel delivery more challenging. So today, what organization expect is website should be faster. It must have a better SEO. It can be manageable by the marketing team and like personalized experience, which is the which is to be expected, and AI powered search, omni-channel content delivery can be used across any channel or any technology, and future ready architecture. So that's why the Sitecore is heavily invested and investing in Sitecore AI, G-Core like Action Cloud, Content Hub, AI, MCP server, modern headless architecture. So now let's see how we have implemented these ideas into these POC projects. So Saurabh, if you can walk through us like how this healthcare website was created inside the Sitecore CMS and in XM Cloud Headless.
Absolutely. Let's start with the Sitecore backend, and let me share my screen.
Okay, sure.
Sure. Yeah. So first we design reusable content structure using templates. Templates, define the structure of every content item. For this project, we create templates for hero banner, doctors, health services, FAQ, departments, contact page, and appointment form.
Okay.
Yeah. So, this allow contents author to create pages without any coding. So next, we created a renderings. Now, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. So each rendering represents a reusable UI components. For example, include blog, booking, footer, header, doctor listing, FAQ accordion, services, promo, contact forms, and other. So, these renderings can be reused across multiple pages. After that, we configure data source. To configure the data source, just go inside your sites where you have created and select your items. Just select your items. After click on presentation and then details, and then click on final layout tab, and you can see you have assigned multiple rendering components on on each items. So now you can just click on edit and then controls and select any one of the rendering components which you want to configure configure the data source. Just click and edit, and from here you can configure the data source. So after that we configure data source instead of hard coding content inside components. Everything every rendering receives its contents dynamically from Sitecore.
Yeah.
Yeah, this gives contents editor complete flexibility. So finally, we created the page structure using layouts, placeholder settings, standard values, and presentation details. So this allow business users to assemble page visually. Yeah.
That's impressive. So, how does the front end commute with the Sitecore, or like how does the its rendering host or the front end part, I mean, communicate with the Sitecore CMS?
Yeah, great question. For this project, we used Sitecore Headless services with GraphQL. GraphQL act as the communication layer between Sitecore and the front end. Instead of rendering HTML directly from Sitecore, so Next.js request only the required content through GraphQL. These features provides fast performance, better ratio, smaller payloads, and flexible front-end developments. Now, let's open the Next.js projects. Uh, yeah.
Okay.
So let me share my screen again.
Yeah, yeah, to share.
Yeah. So here, every Sitecore rendering has its corresponding React component. For example, header rendering, hero renderings, promo renderings, and other services and other renderings components. So each components consume GraphQL data and renders the UI dynamically. So let me show the GraphQL query for
Yeah.
how to fetch the uh, data from Sitecores using GraphQL.
Okay.
So you can see my screens. Here is the GraphQL query syntax. You need to pass the different variables like item ID path, data source path, and second one language. And inside the item function, this you need to pass which fields you have to want to get, like name, URLs, and all the children's items have you want. Yeah. So, each components consume GraphQL data and renders the UI dynamically. So this architecture makes front-end development much more scalable. Now, after that, after the configure, after getting the data, let me share my websites. Or looks like I have developed. So I have developed healthcare websites. This is the header section. This is the hero components, about us components, See the trusted care sections inside the you can define all the services you have provided in the hospitals. Next one, success story. Next one is the promo sections. And next one, our dedicated teams. And then these sections represents booking appointment, how to book your appointments through the websites. And next one is FAQ, and this is the footer section. If you click on the emergency care button, so just redirect to your book appointment form. Yeah, so this is the yeah.
Okay, that's impressive, Saul.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So one exciting part of this demo is our Sitecore AI MCP integration. So can you explain what we have built on this, how we are integrating the MCP and the AI integration on the CMS?
Yeah, sure. Certainly, we have integrated an MCP server with Sitecore.
Yeah.
The MCP server enables AI system to securely access Sitecore content and perform intelligent tasks. Instead of relying on static prompts, AI can interact with a structured Sitecore content in real time. So some capability includes uh, content search, knowledge retrieval, AI-powered assistance, intelligent recommendations, and content summarization, and future AI workflows. So this demonstrates how enterprise CMS platforms are evolving into AI-enabled knowledge systems. Let me share my screens to show how to set up the MCP server with Sitecore.
Okay, sure.
I am sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So to set up the MCP server with Sitecore, you need to create one file, uh, naming like mcp.json. So just go inside the .bs code folder, and here you need to create a file mcp.json. Inside the mcp.json, you need to configure some configurations, like you need to configure your GraphQL endpoints, item service server URL, what's service username and service passwords, and that's it. After you have done all this configuration, you can start the MCP server. After starting, you can just go to the chat and ask some questions, like create a templates, create a renderings, other things you can. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Yeah, and we can also use this MCP server to bring some of the data to the page, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
great.
So this, yeah, right.
Yeah. Do you want to explain, Shaul?
Yeah. So it's easy to make for developer. Just ask to anything to modify, create an items, anything. So just say to MCP, and it has created in just a minute. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, great. So, Saurabh, before we conclude, can you summarize why organizations should consider Sitecore, Headless, or Action Cloud?
Yeah, certainly the biggest benefits include faster websites, better SEO performance, independent front-end development, reusable components, omni-channel content delivery, easier integrations, better scalability, and cloud-native architecture provides, and AI-ready platforms. So, for organization planning, long-term digital transformations, headless architecture, and XM Cloud provide a strong foundation. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Saurabh. So this demonstration shows that Sitecore is no longer just a traditional CMS. So it's becoming an intelligent digital experience platform where AI, headless architecture, cloud native CMS delivery, and modern content operation works together. So we at Murmu Software Infotech helping enterprise implement and modernize with Sitecore CMS, uh, uh, XM Cloud, Sitecore AI, Headless CMS, Next.js and GraphQL, Content Hub, AI Search, and AI integration and Sitecore MCP integration in the platform. And we also keep a white label Sitecore development support. So if your organization is planning a Sitecore implementation, modernization, XM Cloud migration, and maybe AI-ready platform. So we would like to discuss your goal. Thank you for watching us. We will see you in the next technology discussion. So thank you all. Thank you, Saurabh.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.